This program was taped on October 30th, 1987, on a farm in Melrose Township. The steam engine is the property of Leo Hinnenkamp. October 30th, a beautiful late fall day, and I'm here with Leo Hinnenkamp once again, and in the background you can see that wonderful piece of machinery, the steam engine. Today it is powering a sawmill operation, something that I've never seen before, so I have lots of questions for you. You're cutting up trees, and what type of wood is it?
Most ash and oak mostly. This year ash and oak. Later on we're going to get some elm. A few basswood, but not very many anymore.
All right, and some of these are quite large trees. Some of this wood, you were telling me, is a couple of years old, and but you can make lumber from green lumber.
Oak, oh yes. Oak you can have that lay in 5 years and that won't hurt it. Turn a little white on the outside, but inside it's just as sound as can be.
Okay. And I noticed that on the ends of the trees that you've cut down here, you have the various dimensions for the lumber already written on it.
Yeah, that's what they want out of it, see? 4x6s and 4x10, 6x10, whatever. Whatever the people want, we make. 2x4s, 2x6s, 1 inch, any width, any dimension you want.
Who gets the lumber?
Joe Niehaus from Sauk Center. That's Joe Niehauser's logs that we're sawing today.
Oh, I see. And what do they use this lumber for?
Building hay racks and building buildings and stuff like that.
So it's just sort of structural lumber there.
Yes, yeah.
Also, you use every bit of the lumber, don't you, for some purpose or other?
Yes, people do, and we're just here to make the lumber so they can build something. And the scrap, we use that as firing my engine.
I see. That's what I was going to get to. You use that for the steam engine.
Yes.
You have a pump right here.
Oh, yes. The engine pumps its own water.
It does everything, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, a couple of years back, I had an old sawbuck back here, but that's rotted to pieces so much we can't use it. So now I hold my tractor over here. We saw wood with the tractor after we stop in the evening.
The sawmill is 100 years old.
Almost, not quite.
Oh.
By about 4 or 5 years.
Close enough.
Yeah, my great-grandpa, he put it up in a pasture at home, a little closer to home in 1895. It's been moved and it's been rebuilt a few times, but it's still here.
Well, you deserve credit for preserving it.
Thank you.
tell me who's working with you here today?
Melvin Hinnenkamp and Primus, David Sineker, and the Hinnenkamp.
As I'm watching this operation here, are there various cuts that you make?
Oh yes, all kinds of cuts. Years ago we used to rip fence posts. One cut, two cuts, and then you had 4 posts. And then a lot of times we had small tamarack trees, and we cut boards out of them for on the fence, inch and a quarter thick. And then any width, whatever the thickness of the tree, that's the way they come out.
I see. Well, thank you, Leo, for letting us observe this again. It's very, very interesting to watch.
I kind of thought you would be interested.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Well, I should thank you for making such a beautiful movie of that threshing that I had down there at home.
Oh, we enjoyed it. It was fun to do.
It was splendid. I'm going to go to town tonight and see it in color.
Good, thank you.